Hey there, thanks for stopping by and checking out our course snippet taken from the Web Development Masterclass. In our course, we teach the full web development lifecycle, including all the latest web technologies and cloud hosting frameworks. For full course details and registration, please visit the link down below in the info section.
We can use Bootstrap to create different menu styles, including tab and pill menus. Let's start with an example of a very basic menu. In this first example here, we have a menu with 4 links. This menu was created by making a UL element and setting the class to list inline. This makes all the list items appear in a single row. We then created each list item and attached a link attribute and the link label. Here we have link 1, link 2, link 3, and link 4, each contained within a list item. We can easily convert this basic menu into a more stylish tab menu by changing the class to nav tabs. So if I save the file and refresh, this is an example of a tab menu. We can also set a default active tab by adding a class attribute and setting it to active on the desired list item. So let's say we want to set link 1 to active. Simply put class equals active on the list item. And you can see that link 1 is now active. In the second example here, we've added a drop-down menu to tab link 2. So we have our tab menu, but we also have a drop-down menu on link 2. The menu has 3 sublinks. Now to add a drop-down menu, we create a list element beneath our first tab list item. So as you can see, our first list item is link 1. Right after the closing list tag, we create an opening list tag, and this has a class of dropdown. We then set up an element with the class dropdown toggle. So we have our A element class dropdown toggle. We also have to set a data toggle attribute and make that equal dropdown. So this should look familiar by now, and all we're doing is attaching classes that are and attributes that are necessary for the dropdown to work. We also give it an empty link with the href attribute set to the pound symbol, and link 2 is our link label. Okay, so we can see it says link 2 there. You can also add the icon, the downward pointing arrow here, by creating a span and setting the class equal to caret. Next, we need to create an unordered list and set the class of this list to drop-down menu. You can then create your list items. We have 3 sublinks on this drop-down menu, but you can have as many as you like. And each list item contains a link element using the A tags and the link label. So you can see we have sublink 1, sublink 2, and sublink 3. Once complete, close the open UL tag and also the open list tag. Then continue with the additional list items for your tab menu. So for example, we have 2 additional items here, link 3 and link 4, and you can see that we have them inputted here after the menu. And finally, just close the tab menu's open UL tag with a closing UL tag.